What's up? What's going on, my friend? We're back with another video, and in this video I'm going to of course give you a portfolio update. I'm going to share with you a couple of moves that I did make today and some moves that I'm going to be looking to make this week. And I also want to share with you a more risk defined strategy that I'm doing during this volatile time. It does deal with options, so please stay towards the end. I'm going to be sharing that strategy with you where I can potentially earn 70% return on my investment in a relatively short period of time. Okay, so of course, if you're new here, go ahead and please hit that subscribe button. Join the Meditative Investor family. I want to help you become more meditative along your investment journey so you can get those emotions under control and you can have a better experience and a better rate of return on your money in the long run. Okay, and also go ahead and hit that like button. It helps the channel. I appreciate it. So let's go ahead and dive into the portfolio. We're going to start here in our Robinhood portfolio. And as you can see here, on the day we're up 3.47%. That's around 287 bucks. On the week we're up 0.6%. The month we're getting pretty crushed right now, down 19.78%. 3 months we're still up 50%, and 1 year, guys, you gotta zoom out. Please zoom out during these times so you can see the growth that you have accumulated and you've had over the long term. These are just bumps along the way. This is a pretty big bump, but it's still a bump along the way, okay? On to future growth. Now, a quick portfolio look. I have around 675 bucks of buying power. If you click the buying power button here, you can see your cash that you have available. I have around 3,200 bucks cash. 2,500 is an options collateral, and 675 is liquid. Okay, just if you didn't know that. Let's see, right here, options really didn't do too much. My BNGO did have a nice day today, had a nice spike earlier. I'm still down 61% straight up bag holding. But it doesn't expire until May 21st. I really do believe BNGO is going to bounce back pretty good from now until May 21st. So I'm not worried about this at all. All right, so well, let's see what else. I did make a move here, CFII. I did purchase some shares on the dip this morning. I bought earlier this morning around this area, and luckily it had a nice run up. I should have caught this dip and bought some more, but it's okay. I'm at around 170 shares. I'm still down 13%, but it's okay. I'm in the long term for this play. This company is View Incorporated. They have smart windows, and the smart windows do not need blinds, so blinds are going to be obsolete in the future. I have a feeling this company can install windows. I have a feeling in a lot of the big company buildings in all the major cities. I mean, they auto tint as the sun goes up and down. They connect it to the internet. You can put up your conference. You can put up your screens on there. You can connect to TV, Netflix, all these different things on these smart windows. I just think it's going to just have a huge impact. Okay, look at the movies that are playing now. All these stuff are on Windows and stuff like that. So if you look at what's happening now and look at the movies 15, 20 years ago, it's here now already, guys. So look at movies, buy stocks. I'm just messing around, but I do believe in this company. My goal is to get 200 shares. Okay, that's one play I made today, and I also put that in my Discord also. There is a Discord link in the description below. Go ahead and click it if you want to join the community. We talk stocks and we talk crypto. Get access to our trades, get access to continuing education, and get access to these plays that I share with you on YouTube maybe a day, 2-3 days later, because it's impossible for me to make these videos on the fly. Okay, Discord's the best way. Let's see here. That's pretty much all the plays I made in this portfolio. And my Fidelity portfolio, I did sell a couple shares of ULTA, Ulta Beauty. Ulta Beauty is sitting at a pretty nice valuation right now, or a nice stock price. Yes, $345. I sold around maybe like 2.5 shares to kind of build up some buying power in my Fidelity account to add to some other plays. And let's see, let me show you here. I have it on here. So in my Fidelity, I think I did add to a couple of I did add some Nano Dimension shares, and I also sold an option, a couple option contracts, either on Nano Dimensions or which one? Fuel Cell. Yes, I probably sold some option contracts in my Fidelity account. But as far as a couple of stocks I'm looking at this week, guys, to be honest, what I'm doing is I am adding to my current positions. Okay, what's happening right now in the market is there's a rotation shift in different sectors. More value plays are being bought up, like your Ford, your General Electrics, your Macy's, your Walgreens, your Wells Fargo, your airlines. All those things are getting bought up right now, and your first inkling is probably to go buy those. But for me, I'm okay. I like the companies that I have selected right now, and they're becoming more attractive at these prices. So I'm going to be continuing to buy the dip. As far as some new companies that I'm looking at, I do have a couple, but I haven't finished the due diligence yet to share them on YouTube. I will here soon. But that's what I'm going to be doing this week, guys. I'm going to be adding to a lot of my plays as they go on the dip. My Hylions, my Nano Dimensions, my APXT, my TS&P Humble. I'm going to be adding to my Social Life Network. I'm going to be adding to my Fuel Cell, my Tattoo Chef. I'm going to be slowly adding to these my ARC fund. I'm going to be adding to these plays because I believe in them in the long term, and they're at attractive prices. So keep that in mind, guys. No, don't chase. I got caught chasing on some of these stocks, guys. So I'm learning my lesson to not chase. These things are going up green. I get it. Sector rotation, you know, but I might play some option plays with the sector rotation shift. But holding the stock, I'm okay. I believe in the shift that's happening in technology and in the future. I see it in front of my eyes. So that's my plan for the coming weeks. Now, let's transition over to this risk-defined play that I want to teach you real quick, okay? I'm going to try to make it as quick as possible because this video is getting pretty long. It's in the options game, okay? It is called a put credit spread. Now, whenever you hear the term credit, that's money being deposited into your account immediately, okay? The term spread means the difference between the strike prices that we are going to be purchasing, okay? So a put means you're going to be doing it on the put option side of the chain, okay? So put credit spread. Now, the company that I did this on is SOS, okay? Now, when you do a put credit spread, your premiums will be higher as the stock is going down, okay? Puts premiums increase as the stock price goes down. So what I did was I went on to the trade options list. Okay, I selected March 26th, and as you can see, I have the -5 and +5 at the strike prices that I decided to do the trade on. Now, whenever you're doing a put credit spread, the order in operations is very important. You're going to be selling a put option first, and then you're going to be buying a put option right below that. That is going to give you the credit spread. If you do not see put credit spread on your app, you did it wrong. Okay, I'm going to walk you through it right now, exactly what I did, and explain to you everything that I see. So, what you're going to do is you're going to select your stock that you're going to do this credit spread on. Now, you do the credit spread because you're like, you know what, I've been looking at the chart, and this stock has some pretty decent support, good support around this level, and I have bullish thoughts on this stock. You think it's going to go up, okay? And I have bullish thoughts on SOS in the next couple 2 to 3 weeks, okay? So I decided to sell the $6 put. So you're gonna select the whatever strike price. I did $6. So since I did 5 contracts, that means I am creating a contract to have the right to buy 100 shares of SOS at $6. 5 contracts, so that's 500 shares of SOS. That's $3,000. I don't have that kind of free cash in my portfolio. So to hedge myself, I'm going to I'm going to buy the put right below it, okay? So make sure you want to sell put and then buy put. All right, and you're gonna click the green button below, and look, you see it, put credit spread. It tells you right there. Now, as you can see, the total credit I will receive is $35. How does it come to that amount? It does the math between the $1.58 and the $1.23. It leaves $35 of credit coming into my account. Now, you're gonna hit review. I'm only gonna do one contract here just to show you. I'm gonna receive 35 bucks. And if you hit this review, the collateral I have to put up for this trade is only $50. So someone with a very small account can do this type of trade, okay? So 35 bucks is gonna be put into my account immediately. Then I have to put up 50 bucks of collateral. So what is my max loss for this trade? $15, guys. So you ought, from where I'm sitting, you win immediately from this trade. Like off top. The money comes into your account. Your max loss is $15, okay? And the only way you would lose is if by March 26, SOS closes below your sale put amount, $6. Then you lose your collateral. You keep the credit off top, but you lose your collateral. But my credit is way more than the collateral, okay? Because the difference is $15. I received that 35, I put up 50, the difference is 15 bucks is my true collateral for this trade. Okay, so that's ultimately what I did, guys. And I actually did I have a total of 6 contracts. So I received 210 bucks. And if you look at the review, the collateral is 300, my max loss is $90. Would you take that trade? I sure would, and I did, okay? This is the type of stuff I'm sharing in my Discord, explaining it, fully as, when I'm making these trades, okay? So link in the description if you want to check that out. So if you go over here to the calculator, you go 210 divided by 300, that's a 70% return on your investment if SOS closes above $6. That's a great return. So after the expiration date, and if SOS is at $7, $8, $9 by March 26, they give me all my collateral back. I keep the $210 regardless, and rinse and repeat, guys. It's a very powerful strategy, guys. Learn the different tools and strategies in the stock market to keep cash flow coming into your account. You see, you keep cash flow coming into your account, and you have buying power ready available for these dips, okay? Trust. You gotta learn these tools so you can have them in your tool belt, all right? All right, so that's all I have for you today, guys. Hopefully you got some value from this video. Hopefully you learned something, took some notes. And by all means, reach out to me in the comment section, ask questions. If you want to get, that more voice chat that I love to do in the Discord, share my screen in the Discord, hop in the Discord, guys. We have a referral competition going on. Whoever refers the most people in the month of March gets a full month free. Guys, take full advantage of it right now, okay? Blessings to you. Hit that like button if you haven't already. I would really appreciate it. And mahalos. Until next time. Later.